Hopscotch. Hopscotch is lots of fun. It was invented a long, long time ago. It was not a fun game at that time. It was used to make the men in the British Army stronger. There were lots of boxes in the old hopscotches. The hopscotch could be hundreds of feet long. The men had to hop in all the boxes with their splendid armor on. The strongest and fastest men finished first. The men who did not finish got upset. They knew they would be punished. The British children wanted to mimic the men in the army. They made their own hopscotches. Theirs were not as long as the ones the men used. They tossed small rocks onto the boxes and hopped to the end. When the children played, it was all for fun. Even now, there are children who think hopscotch is a blast.